in the computation of 3-period moving average, you will lose the first and the last observation. Hence, to compute the 3-period moving average, you will start at the second observation. So you type equal to average, and then we just highlight the first 3 observation. And then after that, you put the cursor at the end and then just double click. However, you can remove the last observation since the last observation is invalid. Okay, so let's say for the 3-period moving average. In 3-period moving average, you will lose the first 2 observation and then the last 2 observation. So the computation will start on the third observation. So you just type equal to average and then highlight the first 5 observation. And then you can just double click and then get all the rest of the computation. Okay, so you can remove the last 2 values because these 2 values are invalid, because in 5-period moving average, you will lose the first 2 and the last 2 observation. If the period of the moving average taken is even number, hence we need to do a centering. So I use a 12 moving average because the data is a monthly data series. So for the first 12 MA moving average, so you will lose the first 6 observation and then the last 5 observation. Okay, so to do that, let's say you start compute the moving average, okay, on the 7 observation. Okay, so you just type equal to average, okay, and then highlight the data values, highlight the 12 data values, okay, and then after that you can just double click. Okay, however, in the computation for the 12-period moving average, okay, so you will lose, so the computation is only up to up to this point. Okay, so that the last 5 observation, okay, can be removed. Okay, and then after that, okay, you can compute the centered moving average. Okay, this is only applicable for the MA where the period is even number. Okay, then you compute the average, okay, of the 12-period moving average. Okay, take the 2 values, okay, and then after that you just double click. Okay, then you can remove all this and this one. So this is how to compute the moving average.